In the first quarter of 2022, Apple's share of the Chinese smartphone market fell sharply from 21.7% to 17.9%. Analysts attributed the decline to weak consumer sentiment, a slowdown in innovation, and supply-side shocks. The situation forced Apple to confront a critical question: how should it stabilize and regain market leadership in China? Apple's supply chain was heavily concentrated in China, a source of efficiency, scale, and cost advantage. But 2022 brought unprecedented challenges: frequent COVID lockdowns, power shortages, disrupting production, geopolitical shocks, including Russia's invasion of Ukraine, trade and technology conflicts between the US and China. The risks became impossible to ignore. Apple faced a classic strategic dilemma. Should it continue to rely on China to reap economies of scale, efficiency, and cost advantages? Or should it pursue geographic diversification, spreading its supply chain across multiple regions to mitigate risk? The decision would affect Apple's ability to meet demand, control costs, and maintain global competitiveness. Supply chain strategy wasn't just about production, it was directly linked to market performance. A concentrated supply chain risks disruption, delays, and lost sales in China. Diversification could safeguard production, but at higher costs and potential operational complexity. Every strategic choice could determine whether Apple recovers its Chinese market share or continues to decline. This case raises essential questions for global operations. How much risk is acceptable to maintain efficiency? Can geographic diversification protect against geopolitical and supply shocks? How does supply chain strategy impact consumer trust, innovation cycles, and market positioning? Apple's decision had both financial and strategic consequences. This case raises essential questions for global operations. How much risk is acceptable to maintain efficiency? Can geographic diversification protect against geopolitical and supply shocks? How does supply chain strategy impact consumer trust, innovation cycles, and market positioning? Apple's decision had both financial and strategic consequences. Our complete solution for Apple Inc., should it diversify its supply chain outside of China, provides strategic supply chain analysis, risk mitigation, and diversification frameworks, market share recovery evaluation, step-by-step executive recommendations. Prepare with confidence. Visit thecasesolutions.com, where strategy meets clarity.